Hello everyone, welcome to Express Yourself. Today we have our special guest, Mr. Abhishek Vishar. He is currently working as US taxation analyst at Grant Thornton. Apart from that, he has completed his summer internship project from United Bank of India, Kolkata. He has also completed his winter internship project from Karvi Stock Broking Limited, Pune. He has completed his post-graduation in finance specialization from Pune Institute of Business Management. Abhishek, I want to welcome you to my shows in Express Yourself. I wanted to inform you guys that if you like our show, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So Abhishek, let's start the today's session.
Yeah, sure.
Uh,
And I'd like to say that really, thank you so much for inviting me here in your show.
Yeah, my pleasure. So thank you for coming in my show, Abhishek. I know you are very busy. Before starting the session, could you please brief us about your job role? What are you doing? Your like current designation?
Well, already, as you described that right now I'm working at Grant Thornton, and my profile is I'm an US taxation analyst. So basically, I work as a tax preparer. We need to prepare draft tax return. So if I start to describe all the things whatever we do there in this particular job role, so it will take a lot of time, and this 30-minute session will not be enough for that. So
Exactly.
this is the brief introduction of my job profile.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek, for sharing your thoughts. So let's start a quick jump to the question parts. So my first question is why you choose MBA in and also in finance specialization, and what motivates you?
Well, before pursuing my MBA, I have done BCom in my graduation, and my honors specialization was financial accounting honors. Okay,
Wow.
so because of that, I already had a basic idea about accounting, about economics, financial management,
All
statistics, all
right.
these things.
All
And
right.
so that's why you can say I have chosen this particular specialization in my MBA as finance. But if I answer your another question, that why MBA, why not another particular course?
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
I'd like to say that with all due respect to all the courses, but one thing I'd like to say that every course has its own beauty. But
Of
this
course.
particular
Agree.
MBA course, it has been designed in a particular way where it will not only it will educate you, but also it will help you to be employable. And in short, it will help you. It will help you to build your character. So that's why I have chosen MBA. And one of the most significant thing that I should say that MBA is a course, it plays a role like a bridge from corporate to the academic. So that's why I have chosen MBA.
Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, reach the gap of your academic qualification and your corporate. So,
Exactly.
absolutely, this is a frame of the MBA course structure.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts. So could you please tell us about your journey from as a freshers to a corporate?
Well, before pursuing my MBA, I didn't have any kind of job experience. I just completed my BCom. Then I started to prepare for CAT. After giving CAT, then I straight away came here in Pune to take admission here in Pune Institute of Business Management, and I pursued finance. And it was really difficult because I didn't have any kind of job experience. But one thing I've seen that if I talk about the other students, most of them, they were having different kind of job experiences. Okay, so it was in terms of this thing only, it was kind of advantage for them because
Okay.
already they saw how this entire thing works in there in corporate. And on the other side, I didn't have any kind of idea about it. And so it was really difficult how this entire thing works. Okay, so that's why my two internships, my one is my winter internship and another one is my summer internship. So these
Yeah.
particular internships helped me a lot to know the environment there in corporate. Although I have completed my I have done my summer internship for United Bank of India from their headquarters in Kolkata. So it was a government entity. So these
Excellent.
particular these are completely different. I can't compare my summer internship with my winter internship. But one thing, I've got a clear idea that how this entire thing works there in office. Okay, so apart from that, one thing I'd like to say that I'm 1820 batch. So we all know that what exactly happened in the beginning of 2020. So due to this pandemic situation, I mean, things started to go wrong. And suddenly, because of this pandemic situation, there are
Agree.
very less number of companies were there in the campus. And from the month of February, suddenly companies started to stop to come in our campus. So at that point of time, it was really difficult situation for all of us, those were yet to be placed.
Even a
And
challenging
yeah,
situation for
yeah, at that point of time, not only I need to think about my, I mean, how to crack my interview, but also it was really difficult for me to have patience, because it was really disappointing for everyone. Like I have seen many people, they just, I mean, lost their confidence level because
absolutely.
and yeah, so it was really difficult for me to have patience. But finally, in the month of December, I finally got a call from Grant Thornton. So
Wow.
although it was like it was a campus placement, so I already applied there. And then finally I got a call. I cleared all the interview rounds, and then finally I placed there in Grant Thornton as US taxation analyst.
Okay, so as I like what I understood, that not only the challenges you faced during the particular from freshers to corporate journey, here you have gathered so many knowledges, your experiences like winter internship, summer
Yeah.
internship, and both the internship experience helps you to step forward in the corporate life. And obviously I believe that you have a happy and like memorable journey you have.
Yeah,
So
definitely, definitely. Just if you want me to explain this entire journey with only one word, then I'd say it was a beautiful journey, because lots of ups and downs I have seen. I mean, everyone needs to, I mean, face all these things in the entire journey. So for me, it was also, I mean, happened the same thing. So I've experienced a lot. I mean, I've seen a lot of things, and also, most importantly, I've learned a lot of things to improve myself.
yeah, got it. Yeah, excellent, excellent, and I agree that totally. So Abhishek, like I am very curious to know the recruitment process of the organization, and some questions if you want to share with us, some interview questions.
Okay, so there were two rounds of interview. The first round was a complete technical round, and the second round, I mean, which was the last round, it was a HR round. If I talk about my technical round, then they asked me, I mean, a few technical questions like we all know that none of us have studied US taxation before, because whatever we have studied in our in
Okay.
BCom or in the third semester of MBA, it is only Indian taxation. So
Oh,
also
all right.
they also know that we didn't have any kind of idea about US taxation. So they just asked us, I mean, asked me a few basic question about accounting, few golden rules of accounting. Everyone should know about it. And that's why they were preferring commerce student. And only BCom. And one important thing I'd like to say here, like only BCom students were allowed to apply for this particular job profile, because US taxation, I mean, that's why they were not preferring other the students from other specialization. So you can say it was quite advantage for me that I mean, as I've done financial accounting honors in my BCom. So they were asking me few basic question of accounting, like few journal entries, and about balance sheet, about income statement, about accounting cycle, about also they asked me that if I
All
have
right.
any idea about US GAAP and all, and about, and yes, few basic questions of Indian taxation also. And if I talk about my yeah, about this HR round, then they asked me few I mean situational based question, where they wanted to judge, I mean, how good I am as a team player. And they also wanted to see that how my I mean leadership skill is, and all these things. And but irrespective of any I mean rounds of interview, the one question that everyone will ask you, like, tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, agree,
And
totally
yeah,
agree.
so in this particular scenario, you just need to be very sure about yourself, that what you want to say. And also they might ask you about your strength and weakness. And interview is nothing like you just need to sell yourself in front of the interviewer, that so that he has a, I mean, clear understanding that why he needs to hire you for this, why you were suitable for his organization. So in this way, you'll have to answer in front of an interviewer.
Yeah, so Abhishek, for technical round,
Yeah.
what I suggest to the become people, like it creates or it adds some value when you are giving the interview, right? Like you have told us that the only become graduates can allow the for particular, like give preference. They are giving preference. So
Yeah, yeah,
I
definitely.
yeah, so
Uh,
BCom background has added some values in your particular career, if I'm not wrong, right?
yeah, definitely. If you see that, I mean, also Deloitte and KPMG, both of them, they, I mean, if I talk about the big four entities, they also came here in our campus for the final placement. Here they
Oh, wow.
here they mentioned that they only want to pick BCom candidates. But in my entity, I mean, in my organization, Grant Thornton, they didn't mention anything. But one thing is sure that to do the work related to US taxation, uh, I mean, BCom, if you have BCom, then definitely it will create a value for you, because you
Yeah.
have the basic idea about the core
Yeah,
accounting and
and
all. That's why.
it helps you to do the job
Exactly.
correctly, right?
Yeah.
So you have the basic idea. And for HR round, what I understood, like apart from your leadership skill, like interpersonal skills,
Yeah.
you have mentioned to us, it's very important to express yourself. Not only the leadership skill, the team building, teamwork, or collaboration, but it also important to express yourself during an interview. Like some basic questions you have faced, like tell me about yourself, and the preparation you have taken during your journey, it helps you a lot.
Exactly. And one common question that I mean, I've faced almost in every interview, that I should have mentioned this earlier, like where do you want to see yourself after 5 years?
Oh,
So
your goal, like your long term
yeah,
and short.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. It's all about I mean, asking about your long term goal. But at that point of time, you also need to be very sure. You should know that what you want to say and what you want to be after 5 years. And also your answer should be like in that particular manner, like in what particular profile you are applying, and based on that particular profile, you'll have to answer like where do you want to see yourself. And it will be better if you can, if you have a clear idea about the hierarchy of that particular entity, so it will help you to project your answer. So
Yeah, I believe that you doing a very hard work at that time, so that you have gained a lot of experience. Thank you for sharing your experiences. Coming to my next question, like what motivates you for success, like who motivates you, if specifically you can put that.
well, I believe in self motivational factor, but one thing, if you want me to name a particular person, then I would definitely say that the person is Cristiano Ronaldo. I know that most of the people would laugh after hearing this thing, because I mean, it sounds awkward. It might sound awkward, because anyone can say that he is a successful footballer, and on the other side, I'm just a student. But one thing is similar for everyone, like to be a successful person in your life, you need to work really hard, you need to have dedication, and you need to believe yourself that you can do it. So this particular thing helped me a lot, during this journey of my success. So it plays a very significant role in my life, I mean, in terms of making myself better in my
Yeah, so
career path.
motivation is important, as you
Yeah,
mentioned,
definitely.
self motivation. Like we learned the Maslow's hierarchy, and self motivation plays an important role there. Apart from that, a person, Ronaldo, I believe that we can't focus on their background. We can just see the personality, the traits what
Exactly.
he had. So thanks for that sharing your motivation. And I believe that we are not stopping here, because we are step by step going ahead for our success day by day. You know.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
So
just wanted to say, like, this is not the, I mean, this is not what I have already achieved. It's like this is just the first step of our success. There's
yeah,
still a long way to go.
yeah, of course. And this is a very beginning of
Yeah,
your
exactly.
success path. Yeah, of course. So Abhishek, like, could you please give us some tips? How can our students enrich themselves for job interviews or to crack interviews? What will be your tips for us?
Well, I can understand that not only finance students, or not only marketing students, or not only MBA students are watching this video, but I think, I mean, you have a lot of viewers, so from different, I mean, field of education. For everyone, I'd like to say that if it is in MBA, then I mean, placement department and communication department, they works really hard to make yourself better. But if you belong from a
Yeah,
general, I mean, general education system, like, I mean, suppose you have done
general stream
BCom,
background.
yeah,
Yeah.
general stream background, at that point of time, it is really difficult for you, I mean, to get the proper guidance, that how would you project yourself in front of the interviewer. So communication skill definitely plays a very, very significant role during the interview process. And you also need to be confident when you are sitting in front of the interviewer. And eye contact is the most important thing. These all are, I mean, if I say from the aspect of interview. But one thing for the self development, I'd like to say everyone needs to be consistently. They need to work hard, and they need to be focused. And challenges will definitely come, just like I have also faced lots of challenges, so definitely it will come. So in spite of facing all the challenges, still that particular person needs to move forward, and definitely will get success.
Excellent. Even I believe my viewers, they are not for only from MBA background, like not only HR specialization, marketing or finance, but irrespective of any background, like it may be BCom, BSc or anything general background. I believe they are connecting the dots with you and getting the tips from you. And communication skill is a basic things, I think, nowadays, and interpersonal skills and confidence, what you have mentioned, it is a very much important to crack any kind of a job interview and your self development, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that tips with us. So my last question is like, suppose you face such an interview where an HR asks you a question like, why should I hire you? So what should be your ideal answer to crack the job interview?
Well, the same question I also faced during the, I mean, in my last round of interview there in GT.
I
So he
see.
also, I mean, asked me the same question. At that point of time, I just answered him like, I don't know about, seriously, I mean, I don't know about the other candidates who are sitting just outside of the
Yeah, of
interview room.
course.
I only know about myself. I've
Yeah.
gone through the job description, whatever points were mentioned over there. I know about the job role, and I also know about my strength, about my weakness, about my everything. So when I, after knowing all these things, when I found myself that I'm suitable for this particular job, then I only applied for this job. So that's why, I mean, I can talk about myself that if I get this particular job, then I can do my best, and I can, I mean, I can also work for myself and for my, I mean, work for myself, for my self development, and also for the firm. So that's why I can be sure about myself that if I get this particular job, that then I'll give my best, and I can do well. And yeah, this is what I said at that point of time. But one thing, I mean, you should have your own version of your answer.
Yeah, of
So
course.
I'm not gonna
So
suggest all the
everybody
viewers.
is
Yeah,
like they have their unique selling proposition. They are unique
exactly.
from each other. So they have to mention like weightage of their particular resume, their job description, right? So
Yeah,
they we will have to jot it down the pointers why we are unique, and we have to put the answer.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So I had a lot of pointers today from Abhishek, self motivation, and of course, hardworking, and a superb journey from freshers to and corporate. Not only superb, but full of experience. And you are like facing a lot of challenges, what you have mentioned. And today you are just in a very first step of your successful stair. So I will say you just all the best for the rest of the journey. And thank you for coming to my channel. And if you can say to my viewers something about Express Yourself.
Well, I've been watching your video from the day one. I've watched, I mean, a couple of videos, whatever you have uploaded till now. But also, I should say that you're working really good in terms of doing all these
Thank
things. I mean,
you.
to make everyone know, I mean, to I mean, to give a message like how anyone should prepare themselves for any kind of interview process. And it's all about employability, okay? And I've also watched the last video where you also invited a guy from marketing profile, and
Yeah.
I really liked that video. And right now today you are taking my interview, so I think this all these things will definitely help the those who are looking for a job right now. So definitely it will work for them. And one more thing I'd like to say, everyone whoever is watching this particular video, so I mean, just one thing I'd like to say, like interview is not something like if you fail to crack that particular interview, that will be the end of your life. So life must go on, and interview is nothing like, it's just an discussion between two-person where one is offering where I mean, you need to discuss with the interviewer like why you are suitable for this job, and on the other
Yeah.
side that particular person is discussing with you to match your interpersonal skill, to match your strength and weakness with his job
Exactly.
profile, so that he can have an understanding like are you suitable for this particular job or not. So the
Yeah.
interview is nothing but just a discussion between two people. So that's all.
Thank you for your thoughts, your point of views, and I appreciate your point of views, what you have shared with us. And thank you for coming to my channel. I have blocked some of your times, today's schedule. And thank you, Abhishek, for coming here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, pleasure to be here.